So what are some tips that you have for people to make sure that they are not gaining weight during this time?
Yeah, I think that's a legitimate concern. You know, we're all stuck at home, and what's left at the grocery store is often just processed foods that last on the shelf for 2 years, you know, not the healthiest options. So I think it's a great time to work on your intermittent fasting skills because we don't need to eat all of the time. You know, I've been thinking of this situation as a blessing because secretly I've been working so much. I've been asking, you know, and praying for more time to work on myself, more time to be with my kids. And now all of a sudden I've got it. And so I need to make the most of it. I can't blow this opportunity. You know, I keep saying, oh, I'm going to start doing this exercise program when? And now it's finally here. You have the opportunity to exercise every day. You don't have to get up and go to work necessarily. A lot of women can adjust their homework schedules or they're off completely. So it's all a mindset. You need to just embrace this opportunity that we've been given from the universe. It's like, hey, we get to work on ourselves. And I think intermittent fasting is one of those easy things that you can start to play around with. You know, I tell my patients, start with some time restricted eating. Just shorten up your eating window. Stop with the snacks. Like lock your pantry, empty it out, do whatever it takes. If you're like me and the stuff can't be in the house or it talks to you, you know, get rid of it. Just throw it away. It's not worth having in the house, all that garbage. And get rid of your evening snacks. If you quit eating dinner after 6 p.m. and then you don't eat again until, say, 9 a.m., you're giving your pancreas a break. You are reminding your body how to tap into its fat stores and burn fat for fuel instead of sugar. And it opens up so many healing possibilities for your system. So I think, you know, it's a mindset. You got to just make the decision that you're going to take this amazing opportunity that the universe has given us instead of whining and complaining about it, you know, and sit on the couch and let your depression kick in. You got to take the bull by the horns and just do what you need to do.